Mom, look what I made! It's our family! Mom?
Just a second, Leo.
Okay. She'll love it. Mom, look!
That's nice, Leo.
Did you see it?
Yes, honey.
But she didn't really look. Maybe she's busy.
Maybe later.
I worked really hard. Maybe it's not good.
Hey, buddy. You look sad, Leo.
Dad, does Mom love me?
Of course she does, Leo. We both love you very much.
Then why didn't she look at my drawing?
Sometimes grown-ups get busy.
Too busy to love?
Love doesn't disappear like that.
But she didn't really see it.
Maybe she didn't notice.
I wanted her to like it.
She will.
Maybe I should show her again.
Leo pauses near kitchen doorway.
Mom? She's wrapping something.
Humming softly and happily.
Is that a gift? For who? For me? Mom was busy because of me. And I thought she didn't love me. Mom?
Leo? I'm sorry. Sorry for what?
I thought you didn't love me.
Oh, Leo. I love you more than anything.
I love you too, Mommy.
Here you go, Leo.
Wow, for me? Thank you. Wow, it's opening. Oh, it's so beautiful.
Sometimes love is quiet, but it is always there.